Question number 31. The value of minus 5 by 6 to the power of minus 5 whole raised to 3 is minus 5 by 6 to the power of minus 5 whole raised to 3 is equal to minus 5 by 6 minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Therefore, the answer is minus 5 by 6 to the power of minus 15. Option D is the right answer. Question number 32. The sum of the HCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 45 is. Here, HCF is highest common factor. So, HCF of 2 or more number is the greatest number which divides each number exactly. So, here the greatest number which divides 12, 15 and 45 exactly is nothing but HCF of the given three numbers, whereas LCM is the least number exactly divisible by each one of the given numbers. So let us find the factors of 12, 15, 45 separately. Then let us find HCF and LCM of the given numbers. After that, the sum of HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So factors of 12 are 3 into 2 into 2. Whereas factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since 15 is an odd number, so 2 cannot be a factor of 15. So factors of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Therefore, HCF of 12, 15 and 45 is equal to highest common factor is 3. Here 3 is the only common factor which divides the given numbers equally. 12, 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 3 15s are 45. So which divides the given numbers exactly. So that the remainder is 0, right? So HCF of 12, 15 and 45 is 3. LCM of 12, 15 and 45 is equal to, here LCM 3, 2, 2 are the factors of 12, whereas 3 and 5. So let us write the 5 separately. 3, 3 and 5. So 3, 5 is common for both 15 and 45. And one more 3 separately. So here 3, 5, 3, 2, 2. So 3 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. So the product is the LCM of 12, 15 and 45. Hence it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So find the product. So 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180. Hence LCM of 12, 15 and 45 is 180. Therefore, the sum of LCM and HCF is equal to 180 plus 3, that is 183. Hence, option A is the right answer. Question number 33. The unit digit of 23 cube, it must be 23 cube plus 37 cube. So the actual question is 23 cube plus 37 cube is. So unit digit of 23 cube here. Unit digit of 23 cube, which is equal to the cube of a number ends with 3 is always ends with 7. So because 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27. So cube of a number which ends with 3 always ends with 7, right? So unit digit of 37Q is equal to, it is 3. So again, cube of a number ends with 7, always ends with 3, which is equal to 3. 7 into 7 into 7, 343. For example, it is. Okay. So therefore, the unit digit in whole number, digit in whole number. So in the first number, it ends with 7. In the second number, it ends with 3. It is, so the unit digit in whole number ends with 0. Hence, option C is the right answer. Question number 34. Reciprocal of 2 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is. So here, 2 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to, so 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, which is equal to 7 by 3 into 5 by 3, which is 35 by 9, and its reciprocal is 9 by 35. Hence, option D is the right answer. Question number 35. Which least number should be subtracted from 5935 to make it a perfect square? So let us find the square root of the number which is nearer to 5935 by division method. 5935. So division method, in this method, we are grouping the number, 4-digit number, into two groups. One is 35, another is 59. So 7 into 7, 49. 10 is the remainder, plus 7. So take 35. Then 147 into 7 is 1029. You can check the answer. So remainder is 6. If we subtract 6 from 5935, we will get the answer 5929, which is square of the number 77. Therefore, the least number should be subtracted from 5935 to make it a perfect square is 6. Question number 36. If 5y by 2 is equal to 25 by 4, then the value of 3y square plus 2y is. Let us find the value of y first. 5y by 2 is equal to 25 by 4. Therefore, 5y is equal to 25 into 2 by 4. Therefore, y is equal to 25 by 2 by 5 into 4, which is 5 5 are. So 5 by 2. Y is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, 3y square plus 2y. 3y square plus 2y is equal to 3 into 5 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 5 by 2, which is 3 into 25 by 4 plus 5. So, 75 plus 20, which is equal to 95 by 4. So, which is 23 integer 3 by 4. Hence, option B is the right answer. Question 37. The compound interest on a sum of money 20,000 rupees for 1.25 years at the rate of 8.5% per annum, compounded annually is approximately. Here, given. So, principal P is equal to 20,000 rupees. Right? So, rate of interest, rate R is equal to 8.5%. Right? And the time T, so 1.25 years. Right? So here, concept used, or directly we can say formula to be used. Compound interest is equal to principal P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of time minus P. Again, principal. Here P is principal, R is rate of interest, T is time. Therefore, calculation. Compound interest is equal to P is 20,000 rupees into 1 plus rate of interest is 8.5%, which is 17 by 2 divided by 100 to the power of T is 1.25 years, which is 5 by 4 minus 20,000, which is equal to 20,000 into 1 plus 17 by 200 to the power of 5 by 4 minus 20,000, right? Which is equal to 20,000 into, so after simplification, you will get the value as 1.10 minus 20,000, which is equal to 2,147.11, which is approximately equal to 2,147 rupees. Therefore, the answer is 2,147 rupees. Option A. Question number 38. The sum of x square plus y square plus z square plus x square, and 4xy plus 4yz plus 4zx is equal to. Here we are using the formula a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Let us simplify. X square plus y square plus y square plus z square plus z square plus x square plus 4xy plus 4yz plus 4zx is equal to x square 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square plus 4xy plus 4yz plus 4zx. So 2 is the common factor here. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So which is equal to 2 times x plus y plus z whole square. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question number 39. x plus y into 2x minus 3y plus z minus 2x minus 3y into z is equal to x plus y into 2x minus 3y plus z minus 2x minus 3y into z is equal to, simplify, x into 2x, 2x square minus 3xy plus xz plus y into 2x, 2xy minus 3y square plus yz minus 2x into z, 2xz minus 3yz, which is equal to 2x square. So minus 3xy plus 2xy. It is minus xy minus 3y square. Here xz minus 2xz. It is minus xz. Okay. So 3y square got over plus yz minus of minus plus. It is plus 3yz. It is plus 4yz. So 2x square minus xy minus 3y square minus xz or zx plus 4yz. So 2x square minus xy here minus 3y square minus zx plus 4yz. Hence option A is the right answer. Question number 40. If 3x to the power of m, it is 3x to the power of m minus 5x plus 7 is a binomial, then the value of m can be. Here what is binomial? An algebraic expression which has only two terms is called a binomial. For example, x plus 2 or 3x plus 4. So these are all binomial expressions. Okay, an algebraic expression which has only two terms is called a binomial. So we have to find the value of m here. If m is equal to 0, then the given expression becomes 3x to the power of 0 minus 5x plus 7. So it becomes x to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 minus 5x plus 7. So it becomes 10 minus 5x, a binomial, which has two terms. Binomial. If m is equal to 1, then the given expression becomes 3x to the power of 1 minus 5x plus 7. Right? So it becomes 3x minus 5x is minus 2x plus 7, again a binomial. If m is equal to 2, m is equal to 2, it becomes 3x square minus 5x plus 7. You cannot further simplify this expression. So it is not a binomial. So the possible values of m are 0 and 1. So that the given expression can be a binomial. Hence the option B is the right answer. Question number 41. The sum of the complement and supplement of an angle x is 140 degree. Then the value of 2x minus 10 degree is. So here, complementary angle of x, complementary angle of x is 90 minus x. That is two angles are said to be complementary angles when they add up to 90 degree, when their sum is 90 degree, right? Supplementary angle of x is 180 minus x. When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then those angles are called supplementary angles. Their sum is equal to, so 90 minus x plus 180 minus x is equal to 140, which is given. Simplify it. So 90 plus 180, 270 minus 2x is equal to 140. Therefore, minus 2x is 140 minus 270, which is equal to minus 130. Therefore, x is equal to 130 by 2, 65. Therefore, 2x minus 10 is, therefore, 2x minus 10 is equal to 2 into 65 minus 10, that is 130 by 10 is 120 degrees. Therefore, the answer is option D, 120 degrees. Question number 42. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, BC is 3 cm, AC is 3.5, PQ 3.5, angle C is 48 degree, QR is 3 cm, angle Q is 48 degree, then which of the following is true? So in case of congruency, let us consider two triangles randomly, triangle LMN and triangle XYZ. So these two triangles are said to be congruent only if LM is equal to XY, MN is equal to YZ, or LN is equal to XZ. Look at the order. LM, XY, MN, last two letters, YZ, first and last letter, LN and XZ. Similarly, angle L is equal to angle X. Angle M should be equal to angle Y, and angle N is equal to angle Z. So then only we can say triangle LMN is equal to triangle is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay. If the order differs, if angle M is equal to angle L, then the order of XYZ also differs. So apply the same rule here in case of triangle ABC and PQR also. Consider triangle ABC and PQR. ABC, PQR. Write the values given. BC is 3 cm, AC 3.5, 3 cm, 3.5. PQ is 3.5, QR is 3 cm. Angle C is 48 degree and angle Q is 48 degree. Right. So here AC is 3.5. So the order should be, in case of triangle ABC, AC is equal to PQ. So P and Q in between R. So RQ is equal to BC, right? AC is equal to PQ, that is right. BC, yeah, this condition satisfies. AC is equal to PQ and angle C is equal to angle Q. So it comes at last. So angle C is equal to angle Q. At least three conditions should be satisfied in order to prove the congruency. Okay, in order to prove the congruency between two triangles, three conditions should be satisfied, right? Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PRQ. PRQ. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Question number 43. If E, F and V are respectively the number of edges, faces and vertices of a square pyramid, then the value of 2E minus F plus 2V is. Let us draw a square pyramid whose base is in square shape like this. Here, number of edges E is equal to number of edges E is equal to, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 of triangles and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the square base. Therefore, it is 8 number of edges. Number of faces F is equal to, so it is 5. 4 plus 1. 4 congruent triangles and 1 square, that is 5 number of faces. Number of vertices V is equal to 5. Again 4 plus 1. 4 of square and 1 at the top. So therefore 2E minus F plus 2V. 2E minus F plus 2V is equal to 2 into number of edges 8 plus minus F. F is 5 plus 2 into V is also 5. 16 minus 5 plus 10, which is equal to 21. Therefore, the answer is option A. Question number 44. Angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:3:4. Then 40° more than the greatest angle of the quadrilateral is equal to. So here, angles are in the ratio 3:5:3:4. Therefore, 3x plus 5x plus 3x plus 4x in a quadrilateral is equal to 360°. Sum of the interior angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360°. Therefore, it is 8x plus 3, 11x plus 4x, 15x is equal to 360°. Therefore, x is equal to 360 by 15, which is 24°. 13 to the 15 to the 30. Yeah, 24°. Therefore, greatest angle is, by saying the ratio only, we can say 5x is equal to 5 into 24, that is 120°. Greatest angle is 120°. If the greatest angle is more than 40° of its value, then it becomes, then the value is 120 plus 40, that is 160°. Therefore, the answer is option D. Question number 45. In a triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of side BC such that AD is equal to CD. If angle B is equal to 37, then angle C is equal to. So consider a triangle ABC D is the midpoint of BC such that AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD. If B is equal to 37 degree, then what is the measure of the angle C? So here, given in triangle ABC, angle B is 37 degree. AD is equal to CD. So, since D is the midpoint of BC, BD is equal to DC or CD. Okay. Therefore, solution. Here BD is equal to CD. CD is equal to AD. Therefore, BD is equal to AD. We can say. Therefore, ABD is an isosceles triangle. So, in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Therefore, angle DBA is equal to angle BAD. So, angle B and angle BAD are equal because ABD is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle BAD is equal to 37 degree. Right? Therefore, angle BDA is equal to 180 minus angle BAD minus angle DBA. So, sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, BDA is equal to 180 minus 37 minus 37, that is 74. Therefore, it is 106 degree. Angle BDA is 106 degree. BDA, this angle. Therefore, ADC, angle ADC. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to 180 minus angle BDA because they are supplementary angles. 180 minus 106, which is equal to 74 degree. Angle ADC, this angle, right? Again, ADC triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle DAC, right? Therefore, in triangle ADC, angle ADC plus angle DCA plus angle DAC. Angle ADC plus angle DCA plus angle DAC is equal to 180 degree. So here angle ADC is 74 by 1, 74. Angle DCA plus DAC, both are equal, but we need the value of DCA. So angle DCA plus instead of DAC, we can write DCA again is equal to 180 degree. Twice the angle DCA is equal to 180 minus 74, which is 106 degree. Therefore, DCA is equal to 106 by 2, which is 53 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 53 degrees. So, option A is the right answer. Question number 46. area of triangle of sides 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 7 centimeter is equal to the area of rectangle of length 14 centimeter. Then perimeter of the rectangle is. So given area of the triangle is equal to area of the rectangle. So sides of the triangle are 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 7 centimeter. And length of the rectangle is equal to 14 centimeter. We need to find perimeter of the rectangle. For that, we need breadth of the rectangle also. Therefore, here formula to be used. So we need to find area of the triangle. Area of the triangle by using the formula half into base into height. After that, we need to find base of the rectangle using the formula to find area of the rectangle, that is A is equal to length into breadth. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Then at last perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So calculation. In triangle, sides are 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Therefore, square of 25 is equal to square of 24 plus square of 7. You can check it. So 25 square is 625 is equal to 576, 24 square plus 49. Therefore, the triangle is a right angled triangle. Therefore, triangle is a right angled triangle. Therefore, its base is, consider a triangle where hypotenuse, that is its largest side is 25 and base you can consider 24 as base and 7 as height here. Therefore, base is 24 centimeter, height is 7 centimeter. Therefore, area of the triangle is half into base into height, half into 24 into 7, that is 12 into 7, 84 centimeters square, area of the triangle. But area of the triangle is equal to area of the rectangle, which is equal to area of the rectangle, which is given. Therefore, area of the rectangle is equal to product of its length and breadth. Therefore, breadth of the rectangle is equal to area, that is, which is equal to area of the triangle, 84 divided by its length is given, that is equal to 14 centimeter. 84 divided by, that is 6 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to By formula, it is 2 times L plus B, that is 2 into 14 plus 6, 20 into 2, 40 centimeter. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 40 centimeter. Question 47. The area of a circular field is 616 meters square. Then the cost of fencing the field at the rate of rupees 5 per meter is. So taking pi as 22 by 7. So consider a circular field whose area is 616 meters square. So cost of fencing per meter is rupees 5. So per meter, we need to find cost of fencing the whole field. For that, we need the value of circumference. That is 2 pi r, perimeter of the circle. First, we have to find. After that, cost of fencing per meter is 5 rupees. So cost of fencing the whole perimeter of the circle. For that, given. So area of the circular field is equal to 616 meters square. So cost of fencing per meter is rupees 5. So here concept used is area of the circle and circumference of the circle. So formula to be used, area of the circle is equal to pi r square, and circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r for calculation. So we know the area of the circle, area is equal to 616 meters square, right? So what is the formula for area? Pi r square is 616. Therefore, r square is equal to 616 divided by 22 by 7, which is 616 into 7 by 22. Therefore, r square is equal to, after simplification, we'll get 196. Therefore, r is square root of 196 is 14 meter. So, radius of the circular field is 14, not centimeter, it is 14 meter. Therefore, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 14, which is, so 7 into 2 is 14, which is 44 into 2, it is 88 meters. So circumference of the circle is 88 meter. So per meter, the cost of fencing is how much? Rupees 5, right? Therefore, for 88 meters, cost of fencing. So cost of fencing per meter is equal to rupees 5. Therefore, cost of fencing 88 meters is equal to 88 into 5, which is 440 rupees. Therefore, the answer is 440 rupees, option B. Question 48. The perimeter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 8 centimeter. Then volume of the cylinder taking pi as 22/7 is, so let us consider right circular cylinder. Right. And whose perimeter of the base, that means perimeter of the circular base is 44 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter. Right? Volume of the cylinder is what? So here given perimeter of the circular cylinder, perimeter of base of a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is equal to 44 centimeter and its height is 8 centimeter. So here concept to be used. Here perimeter of base of the right circular cylinder, formula to find perimeter is 2 pi r, and then we have to find the radius of the base of the right circular cylinder r, and with that value radius we have to find volume of the right circular cylinder, that is pi r square h. So we know the value of h already. So substituting the value of h and r, we will get volume of the right circular cylinder. So here formula to be used or concept used here is perimeter formula, perimeter of what? Base of a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is equal to 2 pi r, right? So, and volume of the right circular cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So where r is radius of the base of the circular cylinder and h is height of the cylinder. So calculation. So perimeter is equal to, what is the value of perimeter given? It is 44 centimeter. So formula is 2 pi r is equal to 44. Therefore, r is 44 divided by 2 into 22/7, which is 44 into 7 by 22 into 2 is 44. Therefore, radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is 7 centimeter. Therefore, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which is 22/7 into 7 square into height is 8. Therefore, it is 22 into 7 into 8, which is equal to 1232 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the right circular cylinder is 1232, which is option B, centimeter cube. Question number 49. Let x, y, and z be the mode, median, and range of the data given below. 20, 11, 14, 8, 7, 18, 20, 27, 23, 53, 42, and 15. What is the value of 2x plus y minus z? So let us write the given data in ascending order. So the least value is 7, 8, and the third term is 11, 14, 15, 11, 14, 15, 18, 20, once again 20, 23, 27, 42, and last 53. So here number of terms is equal to, so 3, 6, 9, 12. So number of terms, n is equal to 12. So we need to find mode, median, and range. Here mode is x. So what is mode here? Mode is equal to x is equal to, mode is the value which occurs the maximum number of times in the given data. So in the given data, 20 is the mode, right? And median y is equal to, for even number of terms, here number of terms is equal to 12. For even number of terms, median is equal to n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2, which is equal to n by 2 is 12 by 2, 12 by 2th term plus 12 by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is 6th term. What is 6th term? It is 18, and 12 by 2 plus 1 is 7th term, which is 20. 18 plus 20 whole divided by 2, which is 38 by 2, which is 19. So median of the given data is 19. So next is range. Range z is equal to, range z is equal to, which is maximum value minus minimum value. Maximum value minus minimum. So what is maximum value in the given data? It is 53 and minimum is 7. 53 minus 7, which is equal to 46. So range of the given data is 46. So what is the expression here? Given expression 2x plus y minus z. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 2 into, what is x? 20 mode. 2 into 20 plus y. What is y? 19. 2 into 20 plus 19 minus z is 46. So 40 plus 19 minus 46, which is equal to 59 minus 46 is equal to 13. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Question number 50. A number is selected at random from the numbers 29, 30, 31, so on up to 48. What is the probability that the selected number is not a prime number? Right. So the numbers given are, so 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48 here. So total numbers is equal to, here number of terms is equal to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right. So here, in that prime numbers are prime numbers is equal to, so 29 is a prime number, 31, whereas 37 is a prime number, and 41 is also a prime number, 43 and 47, right? So numbers which are not prime, here the selected number is not a probability that the selected number is not a prime number we need to find, right? Therefore, the numbers which are not prime are 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, and 48. So, total numbers which are not prime, is equal to 14. So, there are 14 numbers which are not prime. Therefore, probability, that means of numbers which are not prime, is equal to 14 by 20, which is equal to 7 by 10. After simplification, we will get 7 by 10. Therefore, the correct answer is the probability that the selected number is not a prime is 7 by 10. Question number 51. It is observed that learners easily grasp the identity a plus b whole square while they find it difficult to use the identity a plus b whole cube. What among the following may be the most appropriate explanation for this? Learners do not pay attention in the class. The identity a plus b whole cube is more difficult to arrive at. They have not grasped the concept of multiplication of algebraic expressions. They find the identity a plus b whole cube as less useful. Here the correct answer is they have not grasped the concept of multiplication of algebraic expressions because they have just remembered and memorized the identity a plus b whole square. According to NCF, the objective of teaching mathematics is not just making the students remember the formulas and recall. Reproduce the formulas when it is required for them to solve a problem. In this example, they have not understood the concept of multiplication of algebraic identities properly in an authentic way because the same method of multiplication is applicable for both the identities a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube. If the students had grasped the concept of multiplication of algebraic identities, they would have understood both the identities equally. Since they have just memories of identities a plus b whole square because it is easy. So they are not able to reduce the identity a plus b whole cube. Here the correct answer is option C. Question number 52. Which of the following is most appropriate for an axiom? These are statements about algebraic identities. These are mathematical truths which cannot be proved or disproved. Axioms are propositions similar to theorem. Axioms are only definitions. Here the correct answer is these are mathematical truths which cannot be proved or disproved. In mathematics or logic, an axiom is an unprovable rule or first principle accepted as true because it is self-evident or particularly useful. For example, real life example is two parallel lines never intersect each other. Two parallel lines never intersect each other. Here the statement is self-evident. There is no need to prove the statement. Two parallel lines never intersect each other, right? Question 53. A teacher tells her students to draw a few triangles using a ruler and pencil on a sheet of paper. She tells them to find the sum of their angles by measuring each angle with a protractor and note it down. The students realize that the sum of the angles is close to 180 degree or equal to 180 degree in each case. This is an example of which approach of teaching? Generalization, teacher-centric approach, deductive approach, inductive approach. Here the correct answer is inductive approach. So it is one of the most used teaching methods where first many examples are observed, and in case the same result is obtained in every example, then the generalization or a rule is made and followed. Here the concepts move from concrete to abstract. Abstract or known to unknown. Known to unknown. Hence option D is the right answer. Question 54. Which of the following describes a concrete map in reference to mathematical teaching? It is a diagrammatic representation of relationship between various concepts and subconcepts. It is a map used to find directions. It is a scheme of teaching to be followed strictly. It is a vague description of a lesson plan. Here the correct answer is, it is a diagrammatic representation of relationship between various concepts and subconcept. Here concrete map, it is a visual way to organize information and to record links between known mathematical concepts and procedures, both within and between concepts. Question 55. Which of the following statements is correct regarding children coming to school as first generation learners from background of daily wages? Option A, they need not learn higher mathematics as they may never need it. Option B, they may not be able to learn middle school math as they don't have the skills for it. Option C, the only way to teach them mathematics is drill them into learning, memorizing multiplication tables and formulae. D, they may have rich understanding of mathematical skills of computation and conversion from their lived experiences. Here the correct option is option D. Children don't come to school with blank minds or knowledge. They already have a lot of knowledge through their daily life experiences. They come to school as first generation learners, but they know particularly about the topic related to their daily life experiences. Here, daily wage workers daily compute their work and wages they got and check if they got the correct amount for the work they have done. They also use conversion to calculate the exact measurement of things like bricks and stones to check if they would fit in a place or not. Being in that environment, children also get to know and familiarize themselves with these skills. Here, the option D is the right answer. Question 56. Which of the following can be the best explanation of children developing a fear of mathematics? Children fear mathematics if their IQ is low. Since mathematics is an abstract discipline, it is natural for children to have difficulties in understanding, and therefore all students will develop a fear of it. It is the most objective form of knowledge that requires rigor, failing which children develop an aversion for the subject. Option D, teachers play a significant role in invoking interest about mathematics in children. And conversely, they may also contribute to the fear by penalizing the students for committing errors. Here, the correct answer is option D. Mathematics anxiety or fear is developed in students when they feel uncomfortable or uneasy understanding the methods and approaches in the world in solving problems and arriving at the appropriate solutions. If not addressed immediately, the fear of mathematics may grow in the students as he gets promoted from one grade to another. And finally, the student would never want to opt for mathematics in his future as a subject. Question 57. Which of the following best describes mathematics lab for middle school mathematics teaching and learning? Option A, it is a space for learning mathematics through playway activities and discovery methods with the help of different types of multisensory aids, objects, and community resources. It is a laboratory for conducting mathematical experiments, a room for keeping teaching aids and charts, a space where children can develop mathematical ideas on their own without any facilitation of the teacher. Here, the correct answer is option A. It is a space for learning mathematics through playway activities and discovery methods with the help of different types of multisensory aids, objects, and community resources. The Math Lab provides an opportunity for the students to discover mathematics through doing. Mathematics through doing. Many of the activities present a problem or a challenge with the possibility of generating further challenges and problems. Mathematics laboratory is a place where anybody can experiment and explore teaching and learning material. It is a place where one can find a collection of games, puzzles, etc. The activities create interest among students or in anybody who wants to explore and test some of their ideas and beliefs about mathematics. Question 58. Which of the following objects can be most useful for introducing geometrical ideas to elementary school children? First option, tangram, Rubik's Cube, Dean's blocks, Hanoi Towers model. Here, option A, tangram is the right answer. The tangram is a dissection puzzle. It is a dissection puzzle consisting of 7 flat polygons. 7 flat polygons are called tans, which are put together to form shapes. The objective is to replicate a pattern generally found in a puzzle book using all 7 pieces without overlap. Tangrams can be used for introducing geometrical ideas to elementary school children where they can gain a stronger grasp of spatial relationships. Students can develop an understanding of how geometric shapes can be decomposed. Question 59. According to NCF, National Curriculum Framework 2005, which of the following may not necessarily be the goal of teaching mathematics at the upper primary level? Mathematization of the thought process of learner, introduction and building based to higher conceptualization in mathematics, building interlinkages between numbers, space, and operations, helping bright students to pass competitive exams. Here, option 4 is the right answer. So, it may not necessarily be the goal of teaching mathematics at the upper primary level. According to National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, the main goal of mathematics education in schools is the mathematization of a child's thinking, clarity of thought, and pursuing assumptions to logical conclusions are central to the mathematical enterprise. Question 60. An elementary school mathematics teacher decides to pose few questions based on the following table. Name of the place and temperature, hourly minus 10 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 4, Shimla 3 degrees Celsius, Ooty 12 degrees Celsius, Bengaluru 27 degrees Celsius. Which place has the lowest and highest temperature? What is the difference between temperature of Ooty and Bengaluru? Arrange the places in the increasing order of temperature. Is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together less than the temperature of Shimla? Which of the following is most appropriate in the context of above situation? Option A, it can be used to introduce data handling to grade 5 learners. Option B, it can be used to introduce the concept of integers to grade 6 learners. The question is misleading for students. It can be used as an integrated assessment activity after teaching integers and data handling. Here the correct answer is option D. In mathematics, many concepts are integrated and interrelated with each other. This is also the nature of mathematics, that the concepts in it are interconnected and share the same strategy or the understanding sense, which makes the students understand both the concepts within no time.